Welcome to my maths class. In the previous video, we are solving the problems in exercise 8.4. Now, we will continue the problems in exercise 8.4. The fourth problem, Rani has rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? Rani has rupees 18.50. So amount she has initially, amount she has initially is equal to rupees 18.50 rupees. The cost of ice cream or the amount she spent for ice cream is equal to rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? So the money she has left with, the money she has left after purchasing the ice cream she has now is equal to rupees 18.50 minus rupees 11.75. So subtracting we get, so 10 minus 5, here it will remain 4 remains. So 4 minus 7 we can't do, therefore bringing 1 here it becomes 10 plus 4 14 minus 7. Here only 7 remains, 7 minus 1 6, 1 minus 1 0. Therefore the amount left with her is rupees 6.75. This 0 has no value, therefore it is 6.75 rupees. So next, fifth problem. Tina had 20 meters 5 centimeters long cloth. She cuts 4 meters 50 centimeters length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? So length of the cloth Tina had at first. So length of the cloth at first she had is equal to 20 meters 5 centimeters length. Then she cuts 4 meters 5 centimeters length of the cloth she cut for curtain is 4 meter 50 centimeters. So how much cloth is left with her? So length of the cloth left is equal to 20 meters 5 centimeters minus 5 meters 50 centimeters. 20 meters 5 centimeters minus 4 meters 50 centimeters. We will subtract here. So before subtracting, we will convert it into decimal number. 20 meters is equal to 20 into 100 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So 20 into 100 centimeter is 2000 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. That is equal to 2005 centimeter. So converting into meter, we have to divide it by 100. So dividing it by 100, we will get in meters is equal to 20.05 meter. 20.05 meter. So 20.05 meter length of the total cloth. Next, the length of the cloth she cut for curtain is 4 meters 50 centimeters. 4 meters converting into centimeters, this is 4 into 100 centimeters. That is equal to 400 centimeters. plus 50 centimeters. So adding it to 50 centimeters, we get 450 centimeter. So converting it into meters, we have to divide it by 100. 450 divided by 100, that is equal to 4.50 meter. So length of the cloth cut to make a curtain is 4.50 meter. So to find the remaining cloth, we have to subtract the cloth cut from the total length. So 20.05 meter minus 4.50 meter. So subtracting 5 minus 0, 0. Here it is 0. Therefore we will bring 1 from here. But here is also it is 0. So we will bring 1 here. It becomes 10. From 10 we will take 1 here. It becomes 10. 9 remains there. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here 9 remains. 9 minus 4, 5. Here 1 remains, 1. So 15.55 meter. So the length of the remaining cloth with the Tina is equal to 15.55 meter. So next problem, sixth one. Namita travels 20 kilometers 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? The total distance she travels every day. So the distance she travels every day is equal to 20 kilometer 50 meters. We will convert it into decimal number here itself. 20 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Therefore 20 kilometer is equal to 20,000 meters. 20,000 meters plus 50 meters. Therefore 20,000 meters plus 50. 20,050 meters is the total distance. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus. So distance traveled by her by bus is equal to 10 kilometer 200 meters. 10 kilometer 200 meters. So 10 kilometer, each kilometer is 1000 meters. Therefore 10 kilometers is equal to 10,000 meters. 10,000 meters plus 200 meters. Therefore total distance 10,200. 10,200 meters. Or converting it into kilometer, we will get 10 point, dividing by 1000, 10.200 kilometer. 10.200 kilometer. Here 20,050 meter, converting it into kilometer, that is by dividing 1000, we get to 20.050 kilometer. How much distance does she travel by auto? The remaining distance she travels by auto. Therefore, the distance she travels by auto is equal to total distance minus the distance she travels by bus. Therefore, total distance is 20.050 kilometer and the distance she travels by bus is 10.200. 10.200 kilometer. Therefore, distance travelled by her by auto is equal to 20.050 kilometer minus 10.200 kilometers. So subtracting 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5. Here we will bring 1 from here, 10, and again 1 from here, it becomes 10, it becomes 9, 10 minus 2, 8. Here 9 remains, 9 minus 0, 9. So 1 remains, 1 minus 1, 0. So many kilometers. That is 9 point, this 0 has no value. Therefore, the remaining distance of which she travelled by auto is 9.850 kilometer. 9.850 kilometer. we will check whether it is correct. Total distance 20 kilometer, 50 meters. Converting into meters, 20,000 plus 50, 20,000 and 50 meters. The distance she travel by bus is 10 kilometers 200. 10 kilometers 10,000 meters plus 200 meters is equal to 10,200 meters. So subtracting we get 10 minus 2, 8, 9, 0. So many meters. So now dividing it by 1000, we get 9.850 kilometer. In this method also we got 9.850 kilometer. Therefore, the distance she travelled by auto is 9.850 kilometer. This is the last problem in the exercise. That is 7. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kilograms. Out of this 3 kilogram 500 grams is onions, 2 kilograms 75 grams is tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? So first we will find the total weight of onions and tomatoes. Then we will subtract this from the total weight 10 kilograms. We get the weight of the potatoes. So weight of onions is equal to 3 kilograms 500 grams. That is equal to 3000 grams plus 500 grams. 3000 plus 500, 3500 grams. We will keep like this only, 3500 grams. Next, weight of tomatoes. Weight of tomatoes is equal to tomatoes 2 kilograms 75 grams. That is equal to 2 kilograms 2000 grams and 75 grams is equal to 2075 grams. We will keep in grams itself. So total weight of onions and tomatoes. Onions plus tomatoes. Total weight of onions and tomatoes is equal to, adding with this 3500 grams plus 2075 grams is equal to, we can simply add this 3000 plus 2000, 5575 grams. 5575 grams. But the total weight of the vegetables is 10 kilograms. Akash bought vegetable weighing 10 kilograms. So the total weight of all the vegetables is 10 kilograms. 10 kilograms. Total weight of all the vegetables. So converting into grams, 10 into 1000, 10,000 grams total weight. Among this, the sum total of onions and tomatoes is 5575. 5575 grams. Sum of the weights of the onions and tomatoes. So subtracting, we get the remaining weight, which is the weight of potatoes. Therefore, weight of potatoes is equal to 10 kilograms minus sum of this, that is 10,000 grams minus 5,500 centimeters. This we can easily subtract. 10 by minus 5, 5, 9. Next here also it's 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 5, 5. 4,425 grams. Now converting it into kilograms, that is dividing it by 1000, we get in kilograms, that is equal to 4.425 kilograms. 1000. So place the decimal from 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. Therefore we get 4.425 kilograms of potatoes. Thus, we can do the subtractions. Addition and subtraction of decimal numbers is over. We did the verbal problems also. So in the next video, we will revise this chapter and go to other subject.